In this video I'm going to show you how to download and install the game the First Berserker Khazan on your PC. So if you buy games at Steam it can get really expensive, especially the latest ones, plus downloading from random websites can lead to viruses, and nobody wants that. But don't worry, in this video I will show you how to find this game without overspending and keeping your PC safe. So for the first step we need to open our Google browser. And after that, I would like to ask you to subscribe to our channel and like the video. Now what we need to do is basically locate this game on Steam before we can proceed to another website. So go to Steam and search for this game, the First Berserker Khazan. And once you have found it, select it and scroll a little bit down. As you can see, there is a free demo available if you would like to try this game first. And once you have decided to download this game, then you will see this very expensive price of €59.99. But don't worry, we got a workaround for this. What you need to do is open the video description and there will be a link with Find Game here, and that will redirect you to this website. Once you have clicked on that, search for the game, the First Berserker Khazan, and select it. And now we need to select games on the left side. After that, we will sort by and then price lowest first, and we will scroll a little bit down to the first PC game available. Click on that, and as you can see, this game is already much cheaper than the Steam store itself. Here it is €47.87 and on Steam it is €59.99. So this is basically how you save yourself a lot of money while downloading games online. If you would like to download this game, then you can purchase it through the store and you will receive an email confirmation with all the steps to follow, including an activation key for Steam to download the game through Steam on your PC. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!